Shut up and sit down.
Rear fork. Rear fork. Spacer bolt torque. Alright, so what they're talking about is, you see that this right here, this is your, they're calling it the spacer bolt. And what you see is, if you do it there, you have to take off your muffler bracket, because as you can see, it's blocking it. On the other side of that, there's a nut right here, and there's actually the spacer. So we're gonna just torque it down from the spacer right here. I'm using an 1 1/8" socket with a 1/2" torque wrench, set at 162 foot-pounds. And clearly that sucker's tight, so I'm gonna have to set it down while I use both hands. Definitely torqued. They may have torqued it to 170 or whatever the top end was. I just checked it for 162, which means I'm in range.